you keep the fun like she was about to see. Why should she be me when I told her it wasn't me?
Hi guys, my name is Bono and I'm back on your screen to eat. Guys, I'm so sorry if I look a little bit crusty. I've been a sicky child. I've been a sick person, like a very sick person. But today we're trying something very exciting. I mean, when I saw this, I was like, I need to try it. Then guess what? And then when I get to the store, they say it's sold out. Literally every day I go, it was sold out. Then I asked this cashier, I was like, the Krispy Kreme cashier, I was like, when is the best time for me to get that
to buy chocolate donut?
And they were like 9 a.m. 9 a.m. girl. If you don't arrive at 9 a.m. you won't get it. So today we'll be trying the Dubai chocolate. I bought one glazed thingy, my bobby. Oh guys, and the whole pistachio kabam Dubai chocolate comes with a drink. It also has a drink. This drink looks so good, guys. I want you guys to see the it looks so freaking good. So we're gonna try both of them together. I broke the box, but it's fun, it's okay. Which one looks more pistachio looking? I think this one. Let me give you guys a bite. Let me let you guys see it. Oh, this is how it looks. Cute and all. Ooh, can you see the pistachio and ton falling out? Yay. Right now my mind is going helicopter. It's so good. It's got some pistachio nuts inside. I love pistachio nuts so much. I'm just gonna taste this on its own just to see how it tastes. It doesn't taste like pistachio. It does. It actually does. I love pistachio nuts so much. But goddamn, it's sweet. It is so sweet. It is so sweet. But the pistachio bits, and like there's some chocolate bits in it. Woo. I'm trying to find my straw. Let's poke it in. You know what? I've never ever had the Dubai chocolate. But I'm thinking all these bits I'm tasting, these crunchy bits that I'm tasting, especially in the donut, is from the, you know, I've watched how they make it, and then there's like, they fry the bit, those, whatever that stringy-ish is, all right? They fry it. This is good. Good. It is going down, guys. I really think the drink complements the the donuts, because the donut is very, very sweet. It is so sweet. But this thing in the middle, guys, I'm getting a sugar rush for real. This is so delicious. I always enjoy Krispy Kreme donuts, but this one, enjoying is an understatement. And the drink, that is it for today, guys. If you haven't tried it yet, run to Checkers. It is a little bit sweet. It's a little bit on the sweet side because it's got like that chocolate on top. It is a little bit very sweet. But maybe my I'm not good with like sweet food. I hate sweet food. I don't eat chocolate. I'm not good with sweet food, but maybe for other people the sweetness is perfect. If you haven't yet gone to Krispy Kreme and tried it, run. More especially the drink. I think I'm enjoying the drink more. I'm enjoying the drink more. Guys, run to Krispy Kreme. Apparently these things have been around for like, I don't know, a month or so. Every time I come, they're sold out. Finally, I got to get it and taste it. So go ahead and try it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've been really, really sick, but I will be back. I will be back stronger. Okay, bye.